Welcome. If you want to take series of the photo in your camera with Xiaomi Black Shark 4, and first you have to open the camera, then set up photo mode. Right now tap on the right upper corner on these three horizontal lines, and next you have to go for the settings, and when you are here we have to simply scroll down and find this option called the press and hold shutter button. And as you can see, we have to be sure that it's set up on the bird shot, and in my case it is. So right now we can finally go back, and when you grab your smartphone and then click and hold the shutter button, take a look. We can take to 100 photos in like 5 seconds. And when you tap on the gallery, you can store all of the photos that you take. When you click right here on this circle, you can pick photo that you want to save. So for example, we can scroll and pick this one. Also, we can make the same with this one. It looks sharp, so we can save it. And also this one. Next, when you choose photo that you want to save, you have to tap on this marker in the right bottom corner, and you can select to keep 5 selected photos or keep all of them. I'm going for sure for the last option, and then we can delete the rest of the photos. Okay, and as you can see, here we have our photos, and basically that's how we can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.